welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul. This is just a little haul of some of the things that I've purchased over the last couple of weeks. Yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I've actually had them for quite some time and it's finally time to show you. So if you want to see everything that I've purchased, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with Mr. Price because there's only one thing in here. I picked up this sponge potty pack. It's a 4-pack sponge. It's a 4-piece sponge pack and it was 46 rand, and you get all 4 of these sponges and they have different shapes to them. Really love this, super affordable, and they're really soft. I actually saw them on Manny MUA's channel. He unboxed a South African box for his like mystery box series, and these were in there, so I definitely wanted to pick them up. I love the colors, they're so pretty. So yeah, super excited to use these. Oh, I got 2 packets. I got 2 packs of them because they're so affordable and there's so many sponges inside and they're so pretty, and Manny said they're super soft, so super excited to try these out. Then I went to Pick n Pay clothing and I picked up this dress. I picked it up I think last week if I'm not mistaken. It was on promotion. Original price is 99 bucks and I got it for 75. I can't remember. But this is the dress. It's super pretty. You'll see it properly in the try-on portion. I got it in a triple XL. And Pick n Pay clothing is a straight size retailer that does like, you know, extra large, double XL, 3XL. They're not a true plus size store, so their extra larges are really like cut for slimmer people. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's made of this nice, like airy, good for summer material. It's this cute blush pink color. Love it. I'm gonna wear that soon. Then we went to Cotton On and we went to the outlet near my house. The outlet at Retail Crossing. That's the one we went to. I got these 2 biker shorts. So this is the first one. It's a navy blue color with like black and all these palm trees on it. And then I got the same print in this light baby blue color. Really nice. I don't really like this one. Prefer this one because it just goes with so many things. But anyway, these are originally they were $2.50 each. Then they were marked down to $1.25. But at the retail outlet, I got both of these for $1.25. So instead of just one being $1.25, it was buy one get one free. So I purchased both of them for $1.25. So that was amazing. And then we went to Makro. That's where we do our groceries. And I picked up these cute little fluffy sandals. It's this cute little pink color. It would go really nicely with the dress that I showed you just now. But this fluff is so nice and soft. I don't know if you've seen like the fluffy slippers that everyone wears. I got those from Makro as well. But these are like legit sandals, like really, you know, put together, not slippers vibes. Love. They're so soft. Oh my gosh. Pretty pink color. I got these for 89 rand, but they had a promotion on. This was the promotion. So I got this pair, and then we also got a gray pair for my sister. So love these. Super excited to actually start wearing them now. Then we went to Typo. Who can resist Typo though? You know? I do a good job at resisting Typo like for the entire year, and then Christmas and November comes along and then I'm just like, you know, it's over. So at Typo I picked up these stainless steel straws. These are such a pretty reflective color. Can you see that? So pretty. They have a little straw cleaner right here, and these were 150 bucks for this whole packet. Then I also got a metal It's called, on the website they call it a smoothie cup. It's supposed to keep your smoothie like cold for a long time, but it's just like an insulated cup, almost like one of those flasks, but it's an actual cup with a straw that you can drink out of. So I picked up one of those. It's gonna get delivered. It's not here yet. I got the all black one. I really wanted the Coca-Cola one, but it was sold out. And then I wanted the pink one, and it was also sold out. So I just settled for the black, even though I already have like a matte black Starbucks cup, but it's just a plain cup, and I really wanted this like flask type cup. And then last but certainly not least, we went to H&M. I can't resist H&M. They have jeggings. They have jeggings for 380 bucks, and they're so stretchy and comfortable. I just want to live in these pants. Can you just imagine living in pants that look like jeans? You know how restrictive jeans are? These are not restrictive at all. Like, restrictive isn't even in the vocabulary of these pants. That's how amazing they are. But I got these jeans. I'm actually wearing them right now, so I can't show you, but you will see it in the try on portion. These were 379 rand, and I got them in a UK 24 euro 52. Yeah, so stretchy. They're actually they're the exact same pant as the previous jean that I had in my previous haul. If you haven't seen that, I will just leave it in the cards up here. But yeah, amazing. I'm telling you, so amazing. So comfortable, so stretchy. These I could have sized down for sure. Love them. Definitely gonna purchase like a ton more because they're just so comfortable. They do, however, fray pretty easily because they're such a thin and stretchy material. They're not gonna be like, you know, jeans that last 6 months or something. So they definitely, like on the inner thighs, they like pull away basically. Another thing that I picked up from H&M is these black pair of jeans. So initially when I picked them up, I thought they were jeggings just like these ones, but because they were the same price. So this is the price and this is the size, but it turns out these are actual jeans. Like, these are not jeggings. The little tag on the pant, if I had checked it, I would have known that these were jeans. These are the skinny regular waist jeans, and I got these in the same size as these. And your girl is stretching these out all the way. They're made of a thicker material. They're made of a jean-like material, and these are stiff, snug as a bug in a rug. I am fitted in these jeans. I'm gonna try them on. You'll see them in the try on portion. Wow, like these were almost like we need to go back and get a bigger size. And then I just like, you know, you have to do the leg jiggle. I did the leg jiggle and they got on. So love that. Finally have another pair of black jeans. And then last but certainly not least, I got this beautiful blousey shirt. I don't know how much this was, but it was in like a clearance section. I picked it up. It's so pretty. It's so like, it gives me beach vibes, like beach house. So pretty. This is the sleeve, and it sits off the shoulder like this. So comfy. This is in the regular people's section, and this is an extra large. And yeah, it's huge. So yeah, so that is everything that I purchased. I really hope, one more thing. The last thing that I picked up is this beautiful red cup from Starbucks. I will insert footage right now of the cup. So pretty. It's so extra and bougie and just gives me all the Christmas feels. It was pretty expensive. It was like 300 bucks, but I really wanted a Christmas cup. And Starbucks released one of these types of cups, these textured cups, in June, I believe. And it was matte black and was tall and it was just everything that I've ever wanted, and I slept on it. So I was like, you know what, when I walk into the Starbucks shop, if they have a cup, I'm getting it. I don't care what the price tag is, I'm getting this cup. So I went and I picked it up, paid for it, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so Christmassy. I love Christmas, if you didn't know. It's my favorite holiday. So I love this cup. It's so like Christmas vibes, festive, drinking me all the time kind of cup. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on my Instagram and my Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, you can just watch these videos in your Facebook feed. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.